In this new Super Series from the Rap Institute, you're going to see how to transform this beautiful, Fast and Furious worthy Nissan GTR from one that has a so-so paint job to one that has a beautiful wrap job that features midnight purple super gloss film from Inezotech. What makes this Super Series extra special is that it fully features the Rap Institute, Zero Stretch, and Wrap Matrix techniques. You'll see how to use this natural energy that's built into the film to make the wrapping process much easier. This series will truly change the way you wrap. And on top of this, you will learn advanced techniques that will eliminate adhesive lines, build a strong corner game, help you wrap sections as complex as this back bumper in one piece, and much more. This 12-part series streams exclusively on the Rap Institute, the world's #1 online wrap training platform. Memberships start as low as $8 a month to get unlimited access to this Super Series as well as over 2,400 how-to videos. We hope you enjoy this truly never stop learning Super Series.